I am Isha Shah and I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is author, writer and publisher. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has created 8 titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHA. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, and it targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. May 1, the perfect training for tomorrow, performing your best today. The perfect and most graceful things in the world cannot be expressed or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Always do your best preparation. What you plant now, you will harvest later. My best friend is the one who brings out the best talent and skills in me. May 2, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and better is best. Ultimately, leadership is not about glorious crowning acts. May 3, administration is about keeping your group concentrated on a primary purpose and motivated to do their best to accomplish it, especially when the investments are high and the consequences really matter. It is about laying the groundwork of others' success and then standing back and letting them shine. At the end of the day, living your life is about being happy and kind, being who you are, and I feel like we are so blessed to have the support system and the best family to really just support each other no matter what we are going through. The price of victory is a great deal of effort and endurance, commitment to the job at hand, and the confirmation that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the assignment at hand. My life motto is do my best so that I cannot blame myself for anything. May 4, I believe in pink. I trust and accept that happiness is the best calorie burner. I believe in kissing a lot. I trust in being passionate about business even when everything seems to be going undesirable. I believe that happy girls are the prettiest girls. May 5, work hard, stay positive, and get up early. It is the best part of the day. A strong positive self image is the best possible preparation of success. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Things are never quite as scary when you have got the best friend. Okay guys, I own nothing of author Isha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 titles, read it and inspired my life, and wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya guys, take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.